guys, thanks so much for stopping by my channel again. Today we're going to do a really quick nail art tutorial on pink kissy lips. This is a perfect design I use during the Valentine's holiday. You want to go ahead and apply 2 coats of your gel polish of choice. If you're going for more of a pastel color, you need to make sure that your base of your nail is lighter than the lips that you are planning to paint on top of them. I chose to go with this really bright, kind of like a pastel-y pink color. And when you're making the lips, what you want to do is kind of do these short and wider triangles to make that nice little V part of the upper lip, and go ahead and use a little bit of the gel polish to just make a slightly kind of like a flat U, and fill in a little bit of the thickness of the lips, and voila, there you go, got yourself some really cute and simple kissy lips. You can do this in multiple colors, you can do it in one color, you can sugar them, so many possibilities. Thanks so much for stopping by, guys. See you soon.